Hi, and welcome to a walkthrough of the 4th generation Utemaster Centurion Canopy. Over the years, we've been constantly refining our design, taking on insights from our valuable customers. This latest generation is packed with features, and today I'm going to walk you through the top 5 while it's fitted to a brand new 2026 Toyota Hilux. Feature number 1, Bandit proof locking. When expensive gear gets stolen, not only does it affect your wallet, but it affects your life. So we set out to find a better way. Our Bandit proof locking system connects directly to your key fob. So when you unlock the vehicle, your canopy's unlocked. When you lock the vehicle, your canopy's locked. Just like your ute door, our handle disconnects when it's locked. So no matter how hard you're trying to pry, lever, or lift the door, there's no getting in. You'll also notice there are no exposed key barrels to break into. All of the locking is kept within the system. What really sets the Centurion Canopy apart is its strength. It's what we like to call strong bones. The key to how the system works is by linking the tub mounting points all the way up directly into the cantilever roof rack. The Centurion Canopy has a 600 kilo static load rating and a 200 kilo dynamic load rating while you're driving. In practical terms, that means when you're parked up camping, you can safely sleep 3 to 4 people up there. And speaking of cantilever racks, you'll notice this rack runs forward over the cab, not just over the tub. With that 200 kilo dynamic load rating and a fully modular T-track system, you can carry all kinds of loads up top, from rooftop tents and kayaks to trade gear and long materials. This rack has passed standard roof rack testing with flying colours. But we didn't stop there. We've gone further with our own brutal tests, including attempting to lift the entire ute with a crane off the rack and trying to rip the canopy off with a drift car. The structure held up. That's strong bones in action. Traditional canopies are notorious for leaking, and that's why Utemaster developed Monsoon proof weather protection. It's made up of 3 key things: deep rain channels to direct any rain or heavy downpours down and out, not inside your tub. Fully sealed aluminium hinges, ensuring no rain or heavy downpour gets down and inside. And the last thing, automotive grade seals running the perimeter of all doors. All of this works together to ensure your gear stays clean, dry, and protected. Now let's talk about access. When the Centurion side doors are open, we gain access to the full perimeter of the side door, allowing us easy access to any gear inside. Not only that, the Centurion has the largest side door of any canopy in the world. With the Centurion, loading large objects like this esky is easy. You can see how close that is. With a traditional canopy, where we typically have smaller side windows, it's a lot harder to reach over and get gear. And that means easier access, smoother loading, and a canopy that works with you, not against you. You've invested your good hard-earned money into a truck that looks good, and the canopy should enhance it, not let it down. Some of the problems with canopies on the market are ugly and undressed welds, rivets or bolt heads protruding on doors, or angles and lines that just don't match your vehicle. The Centurion Canopy contains the Utemaster design stamp. This includes smooth exterior panels with no protruding rivet heads, clean, smooth radiused welds, and a look and design that matches the lines of your ute's exterior. As a bonus, those smooth lines make it super easy for you to apply any graphics or sign writing down the side of your vehicle. And that's not us saying it. We're regularly getting messages from people all over the world saying the Centurion is the best looking canopy on the market. And on top of everything you've seen today, there's a wide range of Utemaster accessories designed to work with your Centurion Canopy, whether it be for work or for lifestyle. Our Centurion Canopy is backed by our Built for What Matters guarantee, a real-world 5-year warranty. In fact, we're so confident in our quality that if it's not right, we'll make it right. no questions asked. So go check one out so you can get stuff done and enjoy life's adventures.